Hello, and welcome to the U.S. Botanic Garden Orchid Greenhouses. We're here today in our main orchid greenhouse, where we cultivate the greatest overall diversity of species in our collection. Genera that are represented in this room range from Angraecums from Africa to Zygopetalum from the Neotropics. Because of the overall diversity in this particular greenhouse, conditions are highly variable. Half the room is brighter and warmer, and we use this to support species in genera like the Encyclias or Vandopsis that are more warm and bright-loving species. Conversely, the other half of the room is kept a bit cooler and a bit shadier, which helps us to maintain species in the genera like Bulbophyllum, which is our largest group of species, as well as others like the Phalaenopsis that you may be able to grow at home. So thank you very much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed.